What if nature could speak, not in words, but in melodies? In the whispering wind, a story untold, mountains rise while rivers unfold, shadow dance where the wild hearts roll. Every creature sings, every land a home. Can you hear the earth calling your name? Through the waves, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Not in words but in echoes deep. A melody the wild ones keep. Golden light paints the sky so white. Ocean whisper, the forest confide. Every heartbeat a rhythm so free. A song of life in harmony. Can you hear the earth calling your name? Through the waves, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Not in words but in echoes deep. A melody the wild ones keep. A melody the wild ones keep.